Picking up the years I'll leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me.
Alright, how you doing guys today? I hope so you are keeping well. Today, as you see, yes, I'm in the Bali Bird Park. Many people on the comments below on the Instagram, and oh, that's the bird. And privately they text me, can you make a vlog episode about the birds in Bali? And yes, this is the day. Today is the day. I hope so you will enjoy it and have a tour with me. By the way, they have a super cool promotion right now. For the one full entire month, only 50,000 ticket entrance, no matter where I'm from. Super cool and big thumb up. However, I'm not a big expert about the birds, so I will show you always the birds and the sign if it is, so you will know what kind of birds it is. Happy watching, guys. Of course, like I said before, the park is just opened 3 days ago and this is during new normal. However, it's super quiet, not many people around, and I saw on the car park also just few cars, so Bali during new normal. Flamingo. So cool. Australian pelicans, they're actually quite big, lah. Bigger than I was expecting. I need to pass this gate, but the bird is over here. I hope so he's not gonna jump on my head or something. Mission complete. Red hat hornbill, something like that. Looks cool. Sulawesi Trictic is hidden. Sorry guys. Let's go next. This one looks aggressive. I'm a bit scared. That's so beautiful. See? Aggressive. This bird and this bird and this one over there, I think they don't like me, or they don't like my camera, but they are beautiful. Let's go next. Oh, surprise, surprise. Should I go there? Don't eat this. This is the red foil. Some birds are very active. I don't know what they're saying. Anyway, I cannot locate this very loud bird. By the way, super cool experience because it's not so many people, you know, guys. But many of attractions is also closed. So, oh, this bird is running very fast. This yellow bird is so active. Super green here. In this park they make it like imitation of jungle, of the real environment where the birds living, and that's super cool. It's super cool. Coffee shop is closed. That's a little bit sad. I was hoping to have a coffee over here and listen to birds. Next time, birds of paradise. And here is the secret door. I will try this one. By the way, I just wanna say, as this park is super cool. However, the bird limitation is just into the archipelago of Indonesia. Indonesia and surrounds Australia, and is very limited about the other birds from around the world. However, it's super cool. I hope so you enjoy it, guys. How you doing, guys? Very nice, black red. This one are so far the most coolest bird in this park so far, what I saw now. Super cool. Oh, you make me scared. I think that's it for the Bali Bird Park. I think I saw everything. Did I mention as it's so quiet here and no other people, just except me and some people at the beginning and some camera stuff? Look at this. This is the cafe shop. Nobody is here. So sad. But yeah, they just reopened. Alright guys, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I show you the all birds what they have in the park. I hope so far. Some of them they are super cool, as you saw. Every bird have a description. I make a 5-second shot. If you wanna read about that, just press stop and read it. Yeah, I hope so you like it. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment below what do you think. New vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8. See you tomorrow guys.